Happy 16th Anniversary MSE! At maligayang bati po sa lahat ng staff, consumers, users, at mga dealers na kasama ko dito sa MSE. Sa MSE, Making Life Brighter. I am Cristina de la Serna, a wife, a mother of 3 children. Before I engage MSE, I worked different jobs at different agencies and company. But sadly, I worked them in a very short period of time because I put my children on top of my priority. December 27, 2006, I was registered as a MSE member and I started selling their product. That then, I was comfortable